Welcome to a world where even the most advanced technology can have the occasional hiccup. In this case, it's the flickering issue that's been plaguing Windows 11 users. It's a frustrating problem, but fear not, there's a solution at hand. First, let's understand the problem. The flickering issue can be caused by a variety of factors, from outdated drivers to incompatible software. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. The system simply reacts by flickering. Now, let's move on to the solution. The first step is to update the graphics driver. The graphics driver is the bridge between the software and the hardware. If it's outdated, it may not be able to handle the demands of the newer software. To update the driver, simply head over to the manufacturer's website and download the latest version. Next, if the problem persists, it's time to check for incompatible software. Navigate to the system settings, then to apps, and finally to apps and features. Here, you'll find a list of all installed software. Look for any software that isn't compatible with Windows 11 and uninstall it. If the flickering continues, you might want to switch off the problem setting in the Ease of Access Center. Go to Settings, then to Ease of Access, and finally to Visual Effects. Here, you can turn off the setting that's causing the flickering. Lastly, if all else fails, it might be time to refresh the system. This should be your last resort, as it will remove all installed software, but it will also likely solve the problem. Go to Settings, then to Recovery, and finally to reset this PC. Choose to keep your files if you don't want to lose any data. In conclusion, the flickering issue in Windows 11 is a solvable problem. Start by updating the graphics driver, then check for incompatible software, switch off the problem setting in the Ease of Access Center if needed, and as a last resort, refresh the system. Remember, technology is a tool, and like any tool, it requires maintenance. So keep your system updated and enjoy a flicker-free experience. See if the flickering can be altered by switching from balanced power to high performance. When you updated video drivers, how did you do it? Was it only NVIDIA, or did you also do Intel? Did you use DDU? Did you make a clean install? Did you install from the Dell website? 2. If you didn't, then let us know so that you can update the drivers using this method. 3. If you turn on Optimus does the flicker, go away, or persist, use both Intel and NVIDIA graphics. 4. If you think it is Windows, had you considered an in-place upgrade saving files and applications? 5. What happens when you sign on to Windows using a different user profile? Is the flickering different or the same, or does it no longer flicker? 6. Have you evaluated the flickering in either clean boot or safe mode? Thank you for listening. Stay tuned for more tech solutions.